that time of year where you just gotta let stuff start sitting and warming up in the mornings. This is also my least favorite time of the year, where you just can't keep the darn leaves out of the buildings. No matter how hard you try, they always get in some way. So I'm just fueling up the auger tractor. Just got done fueling the combine up. We're gonna go pick some of our own corn so that we can do something around here. Jason should be over shortly to start his dryer, get that thing going. That should be enough fuel. May I wait down here, Pete?
No, come down here so we can unload going the other way.
Okay, one more way. Let's see, I think I normally stay like 3 rows away, and then he'll come up. Sure I'm in the right range. Actually, I might be too close even. And then, here we go.
Trail, I'm just going to combine till I'm full, and then I'll stop and jump into you, because I want to test it, and I want to send the tester back with you.
Okay. The 2021 corn harvest has started. I've seen that all you guys out like in New York and all that area, especially the grumpy farmer, is just fighting the mud and everything. Not what I hope we don't have happen here. Not exactly centered, but I'd like to be a little more center, but it's all right.
You can go forward if you want.
So it's testing 16%. That's not bad. I'll be back.
Alright, hey, tell your dad if he gets time to bring back an air filter. This air filter light's on.
The cab filter?
No, engine air filter.
Okay.
If he's got one, just tell him it started beeping again.
Shoot, too bad we don't have the Dodge here, else I'd run Dodge back with air compressor real quick.
Yeah, just tell him it ain't a big deal. We could probably run the rest of the night. It's only when you're unloading on the go. Come on.
Okay. I know you guys probably won't be able to see, but we use a gravity wagon like a funnel and just run the cart right up next to it and dump into it. So you kind of want to just pick a row and stick with that row, because he's got the corn head on and he can't move side to side. So I got to do all the moving from side to side myself. And that's okay with me. I don't really mind, you know, going at a steady 3 mile an hour. Yeah, I get the sun looking right at me. What fun. There's really nowhere. Oh, I could bring my suction cup mount, but that's too much screwing around. And it would be a bad idea to wash these windows with the dryer running, because of bees, wings, and all that crap would just stick to the wet glass, and then you would just be fighting it worse than you are right now trying to look through it. Just picture a big funnel, like you guys probably have kids and grandkids that played in the kitchen sink with them, with funnels once in a while. That's what we're trying to represent here with this setup. And by the time I get back, he should be about halfway full and or part of the way full that we can unload on the go. Yeah. Then you just kind of got to walk back and forth like this and keep topping the wagon off until the cart's empty. One dump out of the cart from the combine, which is 250 bushel, equals a whole wagon. For those of you trivia Nazis, 250 bushel from the combine. Yeah, he had to wait for a minute to that wagon. I think the unload rate is like extremely slow. I seen the day break, and now I'm seeing the moon rise. Something an ordinary person wouldn't be able to witness. So I'm just waiting for the wagon to get down a little bit to finish emptying out the grain cart. Then I'll go back for more. We're done for the night. He might put a little bit more on me. You want me just to wait here and you'll put a little more on me then?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. And then fill the combine and we'll be done for the night. Start back up tomorrow or something, maybe. I don't know if I said this or not, but we just got started with 400 acres. We probably got like 3 acres done already. Between the driveway way over there, and that little bit of corn right there that you can see standing. I was just giving a rough estimate of how many acres I thought was here that we got done. Yeah, that's what I thought too, but I wasn't sure if the automatic part of it worked or not. The four-wheel drive switch I'm talking about. I think it kicks in. No, it disengages when you go over like 7 mile an hour, 10 mile an hour, something like that. Now I noticed something, guys. His lights are a whole lot brighter than mine are. Of course, I think that issue's gonna get fixed this winter. I hope. But I'm just now getting used to seeing with these halogen lights in the dark. Never understood too why they made the cab lights shine so far back on the hood. I don't know. Maybe it's just John Deere thing. But we just have to live with it. And the combine's up here. So we're all done for the night. Hit it hard in the morning or so. I don't know what the plan is. I just work here. We don't want a repeat of what I done a couple years ago by leaving this door open and not keeping an eye on this.
Whoa. You don't shut that door.
The inner door. See, I'm already screwing up. And I'm out, guys. We'll see you in the morning.